Hey, welcome to Nikki the Analyst. Today we're going to make a countdown timer in Python. So here's the code already, and we're just going to redo it. But before we redo it, I want to show you, how it works. Let's go ahead and run this. So let's do a 3-second countdown. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Timer completed. That's simple. It's easy. I'm not sure what you would want to use this for during and while you're using Python. But it's just something to create. So let's go ahead and go. So we're gonna have to import time. Okay. And we got that in there. Alrighty. So now we're going to have to build our function. Our function, we're going to go ahead and name it countdown. We'll put T time. Oh, sorry. Outside, right? And we're going to create a while loop, okay? Ooh, that's not how you. There we go. Oh, while loop. So T, while T, and we're going to have to, create some definitions within this function. So minutes, seconds equal. All right. And we just got to make sure that knows that the T is equal 60 seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we go ahead and put that in there. And then the timer. And put our curly brackets. And you know what? To explain what those different things mean, I actually have it right here. Okay. One moment. This is the fun part about it. Okay, so right here, this, I think we're gonna div mod. This is going to be used to calculate the number of minutes and seconds. Okay. So that's 4. So then our next, we're going to put in the what the timer is equal to. Let me go ahead and type that out, and then I will go ahead and explain that. Oh, you made a small error. No, don't worry. It's if you don't notice your errors, it's not a necessarily a big deal. But you can go back and correct them. And that's called debugging. Get the bugs out. All right. So now we want to print timer. See, end equals. Oh, sorry, my keyboard. I'm not sitting correctly in front of the keyboard, so it's throwing me off as I'm typing. Sorry about that. And we have, so we want to print the minutes and seconds on the screen using the variable, the time format variable. And using this right here, we force the cursor to go back to the start of the screen, in this while loop, so that the next line printed will overwrite the next one. Okay. So let's go ahead and keep doing this. So now we're in the time.sleep. All right. And we're going to put 1. And that's to make the code wait for 1 second. So T minus equal sign. That is so the decrease in time That's so this is, so it knows decrease the amount of time by 1 second. Is we're going to count that down. Then print. We're going to print timer. Oh, no. There we go. Timer completed. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to get out of our function. So remember, when we're indented, this is all inside of this function. So we want to get this on the same line. And this is we're not in the function. So it's like, a new line of coding. All right. So T equals input. Remember, input, this is when we're going to be asked the question. Enter your time in seconds. Because remember, print is just, just says, whatever your statement is. And input, you got to input something in there. Enter the time in seconds. Okay. Let's go put these here. And then let's go put a space, countdown. And just, we're putting, that's an integer as a type. So let's make sure we retype this correctly. Let's go. So let's go ahead and do 5 seconds this time. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2. I think I counted too slow, but there we go. So that is the timer. Your timer is complete. So this is something cool. Just learning how to use different functions within Python. So, that's the point of this. That's why I'm doing it. Just learn the different functions. But what would you use a timer for in Python? You let me know. Leave something in the comments. Let me know. All right. Well, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.